Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. I'm Brian Robinson. We have Kelsey behind the camera, and on this beautiful day, we are going to show y'all how we grill up some filet mignon on the pellet grill. Y'all stick around. We have 3 beautiful filet mignons today that we are going to cook up, and we are going to season these with Firedancer SOB PG. It's a good all-purpose rub. It's got a little more garlic note to it, and it's got some butter that makes it really good. So we are going to go ahead and just get about a medium coat on these. We're not going to go real heavy, just making sure we get all the sides. Got good marbling in these steaks. Make sure you get them sides. Looks good to me. Alright, I like it. So we have our Green Mountain Grill going back here. It's running 400 degrees with some Barbecuer's Delight pecan pellets. We have our grill grates in there, so with the grill running at 400, puts those grill grates right at about 550 degrees. So we're going to let this seasoning do its magic, and then we'll meet y'all at the grill. All right, these filet mignons have been hanging out for about 15 minutes. They're looking good. I think it's time for them to hit the grill. So like I said, we are running 400 degrees on our Green Mountain Davy Crockett. So we have these grill grates in here. They are gonna be good and hot. So we're gonna go ahead and just get these steaks on. All right, we're gonna let those roll for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna give them a rotate, so we'll come back to y'all then. All right, it's been 2 minutes, and there's been some more steaks up here in the grill. I'm gonna take these to my mom and dad's, but we're just gonna give these just a little rotate. Get those good grill marks. Go ahead and do these. All right, we're gonna let those roll another 2 minutes, and we'll come back to y'all. It's been another 2 minutes, so now we are gonna flip these. Get some nice grill marks. So don't ever take, you can't grill steaks in a pellet grill, because they're wrong. The grill grates do help though. It gets that heat higher. All right, looking good. We'll come back to you after another 2 minutes. All right, we've been another 2 minutes, so we have been 6 minutes total. So we are gonna come in and just kind of rotate all these around. And now we're not really gonna set a timer. Now we're just looking for our internal temperature. And we're looking for about 125 degrees. So we will let y'all know exactly how long it takes them to get there whenever they get done. All right, the last 2 have just hit the internal of 127 degrees. They are the bigger ones. So the last time we talked, we started a timer to let y'all know how long it was gonna take. So the smaller ones, they took an extra 6 minutes, so a total of 12 minutes. And these bigger ones, they're quite a bit bigger and thicker, took 16 minutes total cook time. So these are done. So we're gonna get these off the grill, and we'll see y'all at the cutting board. All right, these fillets have been resting right at about 10 minutes. But before we cut into these things, kind of go over what we did again. So we just started off with some pretty good size fillets, and we seasoned them up with the Firedancer SOB PG, just a good medium coat of that. We cooked on our Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett at 400 degrees, and we had our grill grates in there, and so the temp on those was probably about 550. And so we put them on, rotated them every 2 minutes. The small ones that y'all saw took a total of 12 minutes. These bigger ones took right at 16 minutes. The reason they took longer is they kind of came right out of the fridge. We didn't let them come up to room temp or anything like that. So that's why the extended cook time. But let's get right into cutting this thing and see how we did. I'm just going to go right down the middle. Looks good. I'm going to refrain myself from even taking a bite because we're fixing to throw these in a pan, hightail it to my mom and dad's, and we're all fixing to enjoy these filet mignons. But appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up down there. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see y'all on the next video.